Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new here, I hope you will subscribe to this channel. It is the red button that is right underneath the video. It is free, nobody calls you, nobody writes to you. It's simply to support me and my growth on the YouTube platform. However, if you do want to receive a notification that I've just uploaded a video, all you have to do is press the bell that's beside the subscribe button, and YouTube will send you an email just telling you that I have posted a new video. All right, let's get started because I got an email from QVC. This is a picture of the screen of the products that I'm going to be going through with you. It's their monthly beauty box program and it's called TILI. And what's making them unique right now is they send you the item in a brown box, but inside that brown shipping box are these gorgeous keepsake boxes that are different every month, and they are beautiful. The key with TILI now, which is the name of the QVC beauty box, it is a $25 box, but they are working every month with different influencers, and it also is showing you all the new products or the best-selling products that QVC now has access to, and you will be able to order them directly from qvc.com. So let me just go through with you. What they did now is they are giving everybody a sneak peek so you can do what they're calling their advance order. This will ship on October the 8th. So if you haven't subscribed, as soon as you place an order for it, you are automatically enrolled in their subscription plan. So it will automatically bill you every month until you cancel, and you can cancel at any time. So Try It, You Love It is what TILI stands for. This month they're working with an influencer called Ashley Nichols, and she's bringing us this beauty box that's going to have 8 pieces in it. Some of them are full size and some of them are deluxe sample size, but I will give you the prices of the full size ones if you're interested in getting them after you get your box. Or if you don't want the box and some of these items interest you, you could just go directly on QVC and just buy that 1 or 2 items, whichever you would like. The only thing with QVC is that they do charge $3.50 shipping per item. So this ships free for $25, but every single item in this box is sold individually, and the shipping is for every individual item. Okay. So I hope I explained that well. So let's get started with this one. So the first item that is on this box that I want to tell you guys about is this one down here, which looks burgundy. It's a fresh face makeup remover towel from a company called Campanelli. It will remove your makeup with water only. It's perfect for us who like to remove our makeup, our masks, our moisturizers with a washcloth type of fabric, but this is with microfibers, and you do not need soap or any cleanser. You can just use water. The full pack, they're sending 1 in this box, but the full pack of these, they're going to send you 6 for $30, plus, like I said, that $3.50 shipping. The next item in here is from Becca. It is their Skin Love Brightening and Pure Primer. It helps diffuse the look of pores, leaving the skin looking silky smooth and prepped for makeup application. The formula says it includes a Glow Nectar Brightening Hydrex Complex, which is a blend of ingredients that will help hydrate and nourish the skin. The full size of this is a 1 ounce and it's $39. And the one that they're sending in the kit is a 0.20 ounce, and that's that white box right there. The next item in here is one that I saw some information on when I was watching QVC, and it really intrigued me, so I'm really happy that it's in this box. I'm going to be able to try it. It's this one called AQUIS. It's a Prime Water Defense Pre-Wash. They're saying it's the essential first step before washing your hair. They're saying it's a lightweight formula that will help make styling your hair easier. The full size of this is 12 ounces and it's $29. And the one that's in the box is a 3.4 ounce, and that's the bottle that's right there. The next item in here is from Dr. Perricone, and it's called PerriconeMD. It's their Cold Plasma Plus Advanced Eye Cream. They're saying it's a multitasking product for youthful looking eyes. They're saying it's formulated with vitamin C ester and some omega fatty acids. It's saying it's a cream that will improve the appearance of our skin's elasticity, crow's feet, and fine lines. A 1 ounce of this is $89. The size that we're getting in here is a 0.17 ounce, and it's the black tube right up there. The next item in here is a full-size product, and it's the same price as the whole box. It's a $25 mascara. Excuse me, and it's from Benefit Cosmetics, and it's called their Real. It's their lengthening and volume mascara. They're saying it will curl, it will volumize, it will lift, it will separate the look of the lashes. I'm familiar with this product. It is a good mascara. This is the one that comes with that little dome on the top of the wand, and it's really great. That dome makes such a difference on doing your lower lashes. I love mascaras when they have the dome on top, and this is the one from Benefit that does. So like I said, that mascara is a $25, and it's the full size that's in the box, and it comes in a retail box as well. So it's also good for gift giving if it's one that you want to give as a gift as well. The next item in here is called HeyHoney, and I'm really happy that QVC is now carrying this line, because in one of the beauty boxes that I received, another company's beauty box, I received a HeyHoney product in a serum, and I absolutely loved it. I used it for 6 weeks, and it really made a difference. So it really impressed me. This HeyHoney line is new to me, and I'm happy that I'll be able to try another product that they make. This one is called Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper. It's a peel off mask, and they're saying it will help leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. The full size of this is a 1.7 ounce, and it's $89. The size that we're getting in here is a 0.5 ounce, and it's the one in that rose gold color right up there. The next item in here is from Tula. I also got a full size of a Tula cleanser in one of my boxes, and I really enjoyed that product as well. Very, very impressive. This one here, they're saying, is formulated with squalene, and it is their hydrating day and night cream. It's supposed to nourish the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines. The full size of this is a 1.7 ounce, and it's $49. The size that we're getting in here is a 0.5 ounce, and it's the one in that light blue color right up there. The last item that's in this box is from Nest Fragrances. It's a Midnight Flora EDP Blends Exotic Woods, Black Amber. It has a night blooming jasmine and vanilla orchid to create a bold and sensual sense. The full size of this is 1.7 ounces, and it's $74 retail. The size that we're getting in here is a 0.4 ounce, and it's, like I said, it's in the Midnight Floor, which I think is their most popular one. These are available on QVC. The woman that creates this line does phenomenal explanations of all of her scents. It's also available, I think, at Sephora as well. So if you want to smell it prior to, you can. But like I said, this is probably a sample size. And I love getting sample sizes of perfumes because it lets us test it out on our body chemistry to see how it smells on us. So, like I said, this is a $25 box. It's free freight. If you order it, you automatically get enrolled. So if you only want this box, as soon as you receive it, go back into QVC and cancel so you don't get any future boxes. I love that they give a sneak peek. So for even if it's one that you are part of the subscription, you can always cancel, then wait till next month. And if that one interests you, you can, then place your order again and get back into the program. QVC is also a company that it's on the television networks, and if you want to return anything, you can return it within 30 days, and that includes the beauty box. So you can get it, try it, and if you don't love it, you can set it up to return it back. It comes with a label, then they deduct the shipping costs of the label going back. But because this is free shipping coming to you, you would only have to pay the shipping costs going back. That's my information on this. I hope that helps you guys if you're interested in getting into the QVC TILI box. I am part of the program, so I did subscribe to it, so I will be getting it. So you will be seeing it if you're going to check my channel out, or if you're subscribed to my channel, you will see me opening this box in the month of October. All right, once again, thanks for finding me. Thanks for joining me. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I really hope you do. We go through a lot here. I do a lot of makeup unboxings, as well as going through some of the products that I have in my stash, my newest finds, and hopefully some sneak peeks if they come by my way. All right, we'll see you soon, and catch you in the next video. Bye for now.